Hello everyone.
Hello.
Thank you for giving this opportunity to speak here. And today I am going to share my views on climate change. My topic name is climate change. So climate change is referred to the long-term changes like temperature, weather pattern in the earth and in the atmosphere, and it is one of the most biggest global warming challenges facing to the humanity today. And the main cause of climate change, humans activities like that using of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. So what is meaning of climate change? Climate change meaning is a significance of everlasting, and it is a weather condition. It is a weather condition of the earth, and it include the global warming, and it include the global warming and melting glaciers. It include that global warming and rising sea levels and melting glaciers and entire weather of the things and event like droughts and heat waves and flood. So my next point is causes of climate. These are many problem and causes of the climate change. Firstly, use of fossil fuels. Use of fossil fuels like coal gases and release the carbon dioxide is very harmful for our environment. And my second thing is deforestation. Deforestation is a very uh, biggest challenge in the environment, and because deforestation is cutting trees and reducing the oxygen and increase the carbon dioxide level. So next point is it is very important. It is very major problem of the uh, industrial activities like use very harmful gases released in the environment. It is very major causes of our environment. And vehicle emissions like car trucks are releasing the harmful air pollution. So my next point is the impact on human. So climate change is a effect to the food security and water availability, and food security and water availability and humans health. Cli- Climate change is a facing for many problems like farmers face the crop failures and coastal communities are displacement of disease and death day by day increase. So next point is the role of individual person. How can we protect our environment? What is the main role of individual person? So firstly, save the electricity and use of public transport, and plants more tree and reduce the plastic uses. So my next point is what is conclusion of the climate change? Conclusion is a very serious trait, but it is not to act too late. Government, communities, and individual person work together to we can protect our planets for our future generation. It's all about.